Modern prefab homes are revolutionary by offering innovative, efficient, and customizable living solutions. These prefabricated structures are constructed off-site and assembled on-site, significantly reducing construction time and costs. Their designs range from compact tiny homes to expansive modular villas, catering to diverse preferences and needs. One notable example is the modular home prefabricated house, fully customized tiny house living prefab container home. This model exemplifies the versatility and adaptability of modern prefab homes, featuring a sturdy steel frame and eco-friendly materials that ensure durability and sustainability. Its compact dimensions are optimized for efficient living, making it suitable for various applications such as a backyard retreat, guest house, or primary residence. The customizable options, including aluminum windows and doors, allow homeowners to tailor the design to their personal tastes, reflecting either minimalist elegance or bold architectural personality. The appeal of prefab homes extends beyond their structural benefits. They also offer significant environmental advantages. By utilizing sustainable materials and energy-efficient designs, these homes minimize ecological footprints. For instance, the modular home prefabricated house incorporates renewable resources and is designed to be rodent-proof and rot-proof, ensuring longevity while maintaining environmental responsibility. Affordability is another key factor driving the popularity of prefab homes. Products like the portable prefabricated tiny home, available for approximately $6,899, provide cost-effective housing solutions without compromising quality. This model features an expandable design, a well-equipped kitchen and bathroom, and is constructed with durable materials to withstand various environmental conditions. Such options make homeownership more accessible, especially in the face of rising real estate prices. The efficiency of prefab construction also addresses the challenges of traditional building methods. With the ability to assemble homes in a fraction of the time required for conventional construction, prefab homes offer a practical solution to housing shortages. For example, certain models can be erected in just 10 minutes, reducing labor costs and accelerating the timeline for occupancy. Moreover, the flexibility in design and functionality of prefab homes caters to a wide range of lifestyles. Whether it's a luxury modular villa or a compact tiny home, the customizable features allow homeowners to create spaces that align with their unique needs and preferences. This adaptability extends to various settings, from urban environments to remote off-grid locations, demonstrating the versatility of prefab housing solutions. Modern prefab homes represent a significant shift in the housing industry, offering sustainable, affordable, and customizable options for contemporary living. Their innovative designs and efficient construction methods not only provide practical benefits but also contribute positively to environmental conservation efforts. As the demand for flexible and eco-friendly housing continues to grow, prefab homes stand at the forefront of this transformative movement.